Hi everyone, it's Stacy with Lakeshore, and today we're going to take the children outdoors for an alphabet scavenger hunt. What better way to combine learning and moving? Children love to learn in the great outdoors, and today's alphabet scavenger hunt will allow them to explore the world around them, while reinforcing their knowledge of the alphabet and developing those essential phonemic awareness and phonics skills that are needed for early literacy. All you need is a little creativity and a cutout or image of each letter of the alphabet. So, let's get started.
Prior to starting the activity, you'll need to go outside and hide all 26 letters of the alphabet. Some ideas may be hiding in your backyard, a friend or family member's house, a park, or any type of area with good hiding spots that are safe and open for children to explore. Next, invite your child outside and provide them with a visual of the alphabet. It may look something like this. Be sure to take a moment to point at each of the letters. Ask your child to name as many letters possible, focusing on the specific letters in their name. Then, explain how they'll be going on a scavenger hunt to look for each of the 26 letters of the alphabet. As they find and identify each letter, encourage them to color in the corresponding box on the sheet of paper that has the matching letter. This will help build letter recognition as well as keep them organized so they know which letters they still need to search for. To extend this activity, try making the letter sound together with your child when they find a letter. Then, see if they can come up with another word or words that has the same beginning sound. Happy, hamburger. In doing so, you're reinforcing the connection between letters and sounds and supporting the development of phonemic awareness and phonics skills. And finally, continue to encourage and guide your child to explore their surroundings while looking for each letter of the alphabet and helping them to persevere through the activity to feel a sense of accomplishment. For activity number 2, you can use the same alphabet sheet or visual you used in activity number 1. However, this activity will be more of a challenge for your child. Instead of hiding the 26 letters of the alphabet outdoors, you're going to encourage your child to explore and observe the world around them by finding objects that begin with each letter of the alphabet. Encourage them to sound out each word to ensure the object they found begins with the correct letter. Turtle. Again, we're trying to reinforce the connection between letters and sounds and recognizing the beginning sounds of words. And remind your child to color in the corresponding box that has the letter matching the beginning sound of the object that they found. To extend the learning, bring a basket or bag to collect loose treasures your child may find throughout the scavenger hunt. You can bring these items back with you to create a nature collage, leaf rubbings, or other nature projects. By adding art to their learning, you're providing opportunities to further develop skills in fine motor, cognitive development, self-expression, creativity, and math, just to name a few. And remember, stay close to your child so you can guide and encourage them to explore their surroundings. Tell them that a good explorer observes by picking up and looking under other objects. Now, it's up to your child's imagination and creativity to find these items and to exercise their visual learning.
Anytime you can use the outdoors as a learning environment for your child, you're stimulating their senses through what they hear, what they see, what they smell, and what they feel. They also get the opportunity to learn through active movement. So when you combine outdoor play with hands-on learning activities like the alphabet scavenger hunt, you're allowing children to learn and develop those essential early literacy skills they need to be successful readers. If your child enjoyed the alphabet scavenger hunt, we would love for you to post a photo or a video on social media with the hashtag #LearnWithLakeshore. Also, if you enjoyed this Learn at Home video, don't forget to subscribe to the Lakeshore Learning channel. Until next time, keep on learning. Bye-bye.
Keep watching our Learning at Home videos. Plus, visit lakeshorelearning.com for thousands of free resources.